Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to continue class 10 science. This is practice paper number 2 of 2023-24. In the previous video that we have solved part C of biology, that is paper number 1, practice paper number 1 of 2023-24. So paper 1 of 40 marks, that includes part A, part B, part C, that is physics, chemistry and biology. So for 40 marks, one paper we have finished. Now we have moving for another paper to solve. So let us answer the another science paper of class 10th. This is also the maximum marks is for 40. That 40 marks include part A physics, part B chemistry and part C biology. Now in this video we are going, that is in part number 1 of practice paper number 2 of 2023-24, we are going to answer only physics part, and that physics part will contain 14 marks. So let us see, out of 40, part A is physics which includes 14 marks. So now let us answer the first question. The first question is, it is multiple choice question. A type of spherical mirror always shows diminished and erect image of object. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದು ನಾನೀಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿಮಿನಿಷ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪೆರಿಕಲ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಎ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ spherical mirror that always shows diminished and erect image of an object ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕಾನ್ಕೇವ್, ಕಾನ್ವೆಕ್ಸ್, ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್, ಪ್ರಿಸಮ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಯಾವ ಮಿರರು ಡಿಮಿನಿಷ್ಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾನ್ವೆಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ MCQ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾನ್ವೆಕ್ಸ್ ಮಿರರ್. So convex mirror will always shows diminished and erect image. So now let us move for the second one. That is in the second one, that is we are going to answer for 1 marks question. Name the mirror that can give an erect and enlarged image of an object. ಎರೆಕ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಂತ, ಎರೆಕ್ಟು ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಸೊ ಕಾನ್ಕೇವ್ ಮಿರರ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾನ್ವೆಕ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಡಿಮಿನಿಷ್ಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ಡಿಮಿನಿಷ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಮೇಜ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರೆಕ್ಟು ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜು ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ನ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಡ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ P ಅಂಡ್ F, ಪೋಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮಿರರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಫೋಕಸ್ನ ನಡುವೆ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ನ ಇಟ್ಟರೆ ಇಮೇಜು ಸೊ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ವೇಚರ್ನ ಹಿಂಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಈಸ್ enlarged image. It is erect and enlarged image. So the right answer, the answer for the second question is concave mirror. So second question is the right answer. The answer is concave mirror. Concave mirror will show erect and enlarged image. So now let us move for the third main, that is third question. So let us see what is there in the third question. So the refractive index of diamond is 2.42. What is the meaning of this statement? So refractive index of diamond is it is that is 2.42. What is the meaning anta kelidare? So let us answer this question. So it means that speed of light, it means that speed of light in diamond is 2.42 times less than the speed of light. It means that the speed of light in diamond is 2.42 times less than the speed of light in air. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ, ಏರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಟಿನ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೋ ಆ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ಗಿನ್ನ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 2.42 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಇದರ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. So this is question number 3. In question number 3 itself, they have given one internal choice question. So what is that internal choice question? That is the magnification caused by a plane mirror is +1. What does this mean? So magnification plane mirror magnification 1 ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಡಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೀನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಿರರ್ +1 ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ. So what does the meaning of that one? It means that size of object and size of image is same. Object ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಮೇಜಿನ ಸೈಜ್ ಒಂದೇ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So it means that if the magnification of the plane mirror is +1, it indicates that the image it indicates that the size of the object and the size of the image is same. So object in a size, image in a size ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಒಂದೇ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ +1 ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ image is erect and virtual. ಸೊ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಎರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು +1. ಈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಇಮೇಜು ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ಲು ಮತ್ತು ಎರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಈ 1 ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಸೈಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟು ಸೈಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಮೇಜು ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ನೌ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 4. Write the laws of refraction. So let us write the laws of refraction. So refraction the law na ನಾವು ಬರೀತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಈಗ. So refraction law. So this is the 4th question, that is laws of refraction. So let us write the laws of refraction. So first law ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ incident ray, normal ray and refracted ray all lie on a same plane. So what is the first law? The incident ray, normal ray and refracted ray all lie on the same plane. Then second law. What does the second law? The ratio of, it is also called as Snell's law. It is also called as Snell's law. The ratio of sine of an angle of incidence to that of sine of an angle of refraction is constant. So according to second law, sin I divided by sin R is equal to constant, and that constant is called as refractive index. So sin I by sin R is equal to constant. That constant is called as refractive index. So like this we have to answer for question number 4. Now let us move for question number 5. So in the question number 5 they have given that a doctor has prescribed a corrective lens of power 1.5 diopter. Find the focal length of the lens. Is the indicated lens a focusing lens or a diverging lens? So now let us answer this question. A doctor has prescribed a corrective lens of power plus 1.5D. So now let us answer question number 5. So in the question number 5, power of the lens is given as plus 1.5 diopter. Now let us find out the focal length. So F is equal to 1 by P. So focal length is equal to 1 divided by 1.5. So focal length is equal to, you remove point and you put 10 here, 10 divided by 15. So F is focal length is equal to 10 you divide by 15, 0 point ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 100 ಆಯಿತು, 15 6 90 ಮತ್ತೆ 10 ಮಿಕ್ತು 15 6 90, like this it will be continued. Therefore focal length will be equal to plus 0.667 meter. That is the focal length. Since the focal length is plus, it is a focal length plus ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ it is a focusing, it is a focusing mirror. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಫೋಕಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಿರರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So like this we have to answer question number 5. Now let us move for question number 6. So in the question number 6 they have given that a converging lens, and this is the sixth question. One more question is there. A converging lens as having a converging distance of 15 centimeter as an object of 15 centimeter placed at a distance of a converging lens have a converging distance. A converging distance andre adu focal length as an object 15 centimeter. So how far from the lens does the refraction occur? So refraction occur andre elli image formation agutte anta. Find the magnification of the refraction. So we have to find out the magnification. So now let us solve this question now. So now they have given the converging distance is given. So the converging distance is they have given focal length. Focal length is equal to, this is question number 6. Focal length is equal to, since it is converging lens, it is a convex lens, plus 15 centimeter. Then object is kept at a distance. Object distance is always minus, which is equal to minus 15 centimeter. Now let us find out the image distance. So 1 over f is equal to 1 over v minus 1 over u. So we want 1 over v is equal to 1 over f. You shift minus 1 over u, it will become plus 1 over u. So 1 over v is equal to 1 over f is 15 plus 1 over u is minus 15. So ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇನ್ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇನ್ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಐ ಆಮ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 17. Question number 7. So let us see what is there in question number 7. An object of height 5 centimeter is placed at a distance of 25 centimeter from a focusing lens of converging lens 10 centimeter. Draw a ray diagram and find the position size of the reflection and the properties of the reflection. So now let us answer this question. So once again let us read the question. An object of height 5 centimeter ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ 25 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಫೋಕಸಿಂಗ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಫೋಕಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ 10 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂತ. ನಾವೀಗ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ರೇ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ನ ಹೈಟು h0 is equal to plus 5 centimeter. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, u is equal to minus 25 centimeter. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲೆಟಸ್ ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್, ಫೋಕಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಫೋಕಸಿಂಗ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾನ್ವೆಕ್ಸ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 10 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So 1 over f is equal to 1 over v minus 1 over u. So 1 over f, so we want 1 over v. 1 over v is equal to 1 over f minus 1 over u become plus 1 over u. So 1 over v is equal to 1 over f is 10 plus 1 over u is minus 25. So 1 over v is equal to, so 1 by 10 plus by minus is minus 1 by 25. So 1 over v is equal to So let us take the LCM for 10 and 25. So what will be the LCM for 10 and 25? So 5 2s are 2 5s are 10, 25 as it is, 5 1s are 5 5s are then 5. So 50 is the LCM. So in 10 ones are 5s are, in 25 ones are 2s are. So 1 over V is equal to plus 3 by 50. So reciprocal is V, reciprocal is 50 by 3. Then V is equal to 3 1 plus 3 1s are 3, 2 carried, 3 6 are 18, then 2 carried 20, then again, so it will be, so plus 16.667 centimeter. So this is the image distance. So now let us draw the ray diagram for this one. So and let us see what is the position of the image. So here, so let us take one convex lens here. This is the principal axis. This is optic center. So this is F1 and this is 2F1, F2 and this is 2F2. So now object is kept at a distance of 25 centimeter. So from here to here it is focal length is 10. So ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 10 centimeter. ಅಗರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ it will be 20. But object ನೆಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ object is kept behind 2F1. ಅಗರ್ object ನ behind 2F1 ಇಟ್ರೆ, so the light ray which is parallel to principal axis, after refraction it passes through principal focus. Then the light ray which passes through optic center, so it moves in a straight path. So where the two light rays they meet, there the image is formed. So B dash A dash B dash image is formed between F2 and 2F2. So image is formed between F2 and 2F2. Then what is the size of the image? So image is diminished. Image size or diminish agide. Then third one, image is real and inverted. So image real matte inverted agide. So these are the points that you have to write regarding, that is image height, image distance, image position, image nature and image size. So by this we have completed part A, that is physics. In the next video we are going to answer part B. So thanks for watching my part B, chemistry we are going to answer. So thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Still those who are not subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Those who already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. So thanks for everyone for your great support. Once again, thank you very much.